Sabalkar students, my name is Arva and my channel name is Arva and Physics. Here is CBSE question. The linear magnification produced by a spherical mirror is plus 1 by 3. They have talked about the mirror and its magnification is plus 1 by 3. So let's solve the question quickly. M is equals to plus 1 by 3. Students, plus meaning virtual and erect, correct? Now, if you are thinking that concave mirror also produces virtual and erect image, but students, in case of concave mirror, of course it will be plus 1 by we have, let's say it is our focus and let's say it is our center of curvature. So if I do like this with you, so can you see how large the virtual, of course it is virtual and erect, but the size is very large. Very large as compared to the size of the object, but this is nearly equals to plus 0.33 centimeter, 0.33. okay, magnification is unitless, so it means the image size is very very small as compared to the size of the object, right? So this is only the case of the convex mirror. In this case, if you just redraw the circle, so there will be a center and this will be your focus and this will be your pole. So anywhere between infinity and pole, just put up your object, okay? Because this you can of course it is virtual and very very small size image, so it means between infinity and pole, because if it would be object will be infinity, then their image will be at focus. But since it has some size, magnification is there, some linear it means the object is placed between infinity and pole. So can you hope this will be, if it will appear to come at the focus, okay? And the next one is when in at the center of curvature, correct? So in between this, can you see so small size the images is small as compared to the size of the object, okay? So it means this is a convex mirror. Okay, so let's go towards our question. What type of mirror is this? It is convex. And position of the object with respect to the pole, of course position of the object, I again tell you, it will be between infinity and pole, because if the object was at infinity, then image would be at focus. Focus means very pointed image, but this has a magnification. What do you mean by magnification? Magnification means how much times the image is smaller or larger than as compared to the size of the object. It means it is 0.33 is small as compared to the size of the whatever the size of we have of the object, our image is this much smaller as compared to the size of the object, okay? So it means our object is between infinity and pole, okay, between infinity and pole. Draw ray diagram, justify. This is our ray diagram. Thank you so much for watching.